Hi there and welcome back to Tony's Garage. So after a long time, it's time for me to do another unboxing, but this time of a new model. So a model that I've just ordered and received. So let's begin. This is the box. I just received this model. To have I don't know, I think that I would like to test this because at this moment my laptop is quite old and it's hard for me to edit videos. So I'm quite curious when I will manage to release this clip. So for your knowledge, today is November 10th, 2023, and I have a feeling that I will upload this clip somewhere in February or March 2024, even if not later. So that being said, a few days ago when I was on the old Facebook, yeah, I know only old people use it, but hey, I'm one of those people. I saw an auction for a model car and I decided that I would give it a shot because it is part of a collection of mine. It is I have the model from Spark, but not from Minichamps. This is a Minichamps model, so it should be a nice model as well. Not as detailed as the Spark. Usually Minichamps is not as detailed, let's say, just like that. But that being said, the model car should be a very nice one. And I have several models from that collection because it is from a series, one of those series with wider stands. I had some previous clips only with those kind of models, so you should be familiar with them. And this one was a missing number from one of those collections. So let's see what is the condition of this model. As I said earlier, I got it from a Facebook page, from an auction. I hope this is not a model car. Okay, lots of bubbles, so quite a good way to box this model. And this is the baby. Great, let's put those aside and let's see the model car. Now I checked the pictures. In the pictures the model car looked great. I don't know if it will also have the box, the card box, but I don't care that much, to be honest. Important for me is to be sure that the model car arrived properly. So let's see what's in here. Okay, another layer of paper. It looks like kitchen paper, and it does not have the card box, but that is fine. From what I'm seeing, the model was deposited in the sun or something like that. It is easy to see that because the color of the card box is quite erased compared to the other model. Give me a few seconds to show it to you to prove that. So if it will be to see this is the color the model should have had on the box, and this is what I received. If you're looking like them, it's like a commercial to a detergent or something. But let's hope that the model car is not damaged in any way. If you already recognize the box, this should be an Alfa Romeo. It is quite a modern Alfa Romeo compared with others, but let's see. Okay, carefully. I like that the seller added an extra layer of paper for protection for transportation, a protection for transportation. Okay, and the model car at the first glance looks absolutely awesome. Let me remove this. It is the Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione. From my perspective, this car is a piece of art. Look at that fantastic design. I also have it from Spark, but the version from Spark is completely black. And even if it has perfect details, the red one looks even better on this model. So it allows you to see those awesome curves and awesome lines in more detail. So very cool aspect. I don't know what's the limited edition number of this model because it is not written on the box. All I can say is that this is the 2023 Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione, a fantastic looking model car that I absolutely love. Great details, great exhaust pipes, something that Minichamps can do apparently. Very cool rims. You are able to see those very nice brake calipers and brake discs. The interior is quite detailed. It is specific Alfa Romeo. It has some similarities with the design, the interior from the Brera. Awesome model car. Very short clip. I hope you enjoy it. I definitely enjoy it. I'm more relaxed now that even if the card box is it has the colors not so bright as they should be. The model car is not affected whatsoever, so this is a plus for me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Ciao.